Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I have a wonderful story to share with you about a little boy named Ali and his adventure in learning good manners. Ali loves to play and explore, but one day his mother taught him something very special. Ali, she said, good manners are like little keys that can open big doors to kindness and happiness. Curious and excited, Ali set out on an adventure to discover how good manners could make a difference in his world. Let's join him on this journey and see what he learns. Ali wants some cookies. He reaches for the jar, but his mum says, "Wait, Ali. Always say please when you ask for something." Ali tries, "Mama, may I please have a cookie?" His mum gives him a cookie and says, "Good job, Ali." Saying please shows kindness. Ali and his dad are at the park. Ali sees a lady drop her scarf. He picks it up and gives it back to her. The lady says, "Thank you, young man." Ali's dad says, "Helping others is also good manners, Ali." One sunny afternoon, Ali and Zayn were playing with their toys in the play area. Ali had a big collection of toy cars, but Zayn didn't have one. Zayn looked at Ali's favorite red car and said, "Wow, that car looks so cool." Seeing Zayn's excitement, Ali smiled and handed the car to him. "Here, Zayn, you can play with it," Ali said happily. Zayn's face lit up with joy. He said, "Thank you, Ali. You're such a kind friend." Together, they created an exciting car race and laughed the whole afternoon. Sharing made their day even more fun. Ali and Zayn are having a snack. Ali notices Zayn has no snacks left. He shares his sandwich with Zayn and says, "Here, have some of mine." Zayn says, "Thank you, Ali. You are a good friend." Ali accidentally bumps into his little sister, Sarah. Sarah looks upset. Ali says, "I'm sorry, Sarah. I didn't mean to bump into you." Sarah smiles and says, "It's okay, Ali." Ali's family gathers for dinner. Ali's mum says, "Ali, I'm so proud of you for using good manners today." Ali gives his mum a big hug and says, "Thank you for teaching me, Mama." Everyone laughs and enjoys their dinner together. Good manners make everyone happy. Saying please, thank you, sorry, and helping others are small things that bring big smiles. "Let's all practice good manners, friends," says Ali.